This project is perfect for AI and computer vision students who want to work on real industry problems, so let's start with a strong idea. AR Virtual Try-On is all about letting users see how clothing, makeup, eyewear, or accessories look on them without touching the product. It uses the camera feed and overlays digital items in real time. This matters because e-commerce now depends on immersive and confident shopping experiences. Brands use AR to cut returns and boost conversions, and companies hiring for this skill set are growing fast. You see this technology everywhere, trying on glasses online, previewing hair colors, or checking a jacket on your body. The goal is simple: learn how to blend computer vision with augmented reality to create a practical and engaging user experience. You will explore use cases across fashion, beauty, and retail. Each use case highlights how virtual try-on adds trust and convenience. This project brings you closer to roles in AR, mobile applications, and computer vision engineering. Prepares you for interviews where recruiters expect proof of end-to-end product thinking and applied AI skills. To build an effective AR virtual try-on system, you need a mix of computer vision skills, AR concepts, and practical mobile experience. You start with understanding how to detect and track facial features or body pose. You also need skills in 3D graphics, so the digital items look realistic when placed on the user. Tools like ARCore, ARKit, OpenCV, and MediaPipe help you implement the core features. You will also work with Unity or Three.js for rendering high-quality 3D assets, plus TensorFlow Lite for model execution on mobile. Soft skills matter too. You must think like a designer and understand how users interact with AR. You need creativity to visualize products in 3D and awareness of performance constraints, so the app runs smoothly on phones. Recruiters love candidates who combine technical ability with user-centric design thinking, especially in companies building AR experiences for retail or fashion. This slide shows you the toolset and mindset expected for real-world AR roles. The roadmap begins with face or body detection. Here you use MediaPipe or Dilby to extract key points and track them frame by frame, so the 3D items stay aligned. Then you create or source the 3D assets. These assets must be optimized for mobile rendering and scaled correctly to match the user's face or body. Next comes the AR overlay engine, which handles lighting, depth, and scaling. This ensures the product looks natural and realistic. You will also build a smooth and friendly user interface that lets users select items, switch variants, capture photos, and try different styles in real time. Testing is important. You check the app across many devices, skin tones, face shapes, and lighting conditions. You aim for stable tracking and 30+ FPS performance. The timeline ranges from 10 to 14 weeks for beginners, or 6 to 8 weeks if you already know AR or computer vision. This roadmap gives you a clear path from idea to a polished demo ready for internships and interviews. Our virtual try-on opens strong career opportunities in AR development, mobile AR engineering, and computer vision for fashion and beauty tech. Recruiters expect you to know AR frameworks, 3D graphics, and performance tuning for mobile. They look for portfolios with smooth tracking, realistic rendering, and thoughtful user experience. Companies hiring for these roles include beauty brands, e-commerce platforms, and AR development agencies. Salary ranges are excellent, with strong global demand for engineers who can build visually compelling AR tools. This project also strengthens your resume with keywords like augmented reality, ARKit, ARCore, MediaPipe, 3D rendering, and e-commerce integration. Mastering this project signals that you can build user-ready prototypes, understand product expectations, and handle real computer vision pipelines. It gives you the advantage needed for internships and full-time roles in high-growth companies. Start building this today and put it on GitHub.